Hello, my name is Vince Lowry. I'm the Director of Student Success and Engagement here at UW Green Bay. We're headed into a fall semester that's going to look a lot different from what any of us might have imagined. But we have an exciting tool to help you stay on course this fall, the Navigate Student app. Need to schedule an appointment with your advisor to discuss your fall schedule or maybe graduation plans? That appointment is just a few clicks away in the Navigate app. Looking for somebody to study with in that online class? The Study Buddy feature will get you connected with your classmates. Need a hand with that hard online class this fall? With a few easy clicks, you can schedule an appointment with a tutor in our Learning Center. Looking for information about upcoming events, key dates like registration, or just some tips on how to handle the fall semester? All of that information is in the palm of your hand with the Navigate app. Head on over to your app store, search Navigate Student, and once you find it and download it, use your UWGB username and password to log in, and you're ready to get going. The fall semester is going to look a lot different than we expected, but with the Navigate Student app, we can all stay on course together.